Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a admission notification. It is from NEHU, Northeastern Hill University. So before going to see that video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel and click the bell icon which is near to there. So here comes the courses are Masters, MPhil as well as PhD. So you can see that the professional courses are like BA, LLB honors, and then BTech, lateral entry, BTech in architecture, and then you can see that MTech, MBA, and then it's in service management also there. So agri business and food technology management is there, and then MCA, Master of Computer Application also there. MTTM, Master of Tourism and Travel Management, and then Master of Science. Here it is MSc Horticulture also there. So some other courses also there, certificate courses, diploma courses, and then B.Ed with specialization in education in a distance mode. So you can see that the disciplines which are here is two campuses are there. So in the Shillong campus you can see that commerce, economics, library, information science, management. In Tura it is management, and then agri business management and food technology. So in Shillong again it is tourism and hotel management, journalism and mass communication. So you can see that education both in Tura and Shillong campus, and then adult and continuing education, distance education both in Shillong. So here comes the humanities. You can see that English, Garo, Hindi, Kasi, linguistic, philosophy. So the humanities and environmental sciences, you can see that anthropology, geography, rural development and agricultural production, environmental studies, horticulture, biochemistry, biotechnology and bioinformatics, and then botany. So these biochemistry, biotechnology and bioinformatics, botany, and then zoology, chemistry, these all come under life sciences. So you can see that mathematics, physics, statistics, so these all will come under physical sciences. And then there are social sciences courses also, which is history, political science, sociology, law. So here the law, you can see that only it is BA, LLB honors, and then masters and research is there. So cultural and creative studies is there, it's in PG diploma. So the Shillong campus is offering it's in music and then painting, and then folkloristic, you can see that, and then history and archaeology, Tura campus, and then School of Technology, which is offering electronics and communication, engineering, information technology, energy engineering, and then nanotechnology, biomedical engineering, computer application, architecture. So you can see that the selection process is here. There will be a entrance test. Based on that, there will be a merit list will be prepared. So based on that, there will be an interview. So these are the steps of selection process. You can see that the cost of application here, the cost of application for the general courses, it is 500 rupees for general category, and for SC/ST it is 250 rupees. If it is a professional course, then it is the 800 rupees for the general category and 400 rupees for SC and ST. So NEHU is one of the premier institutes. So if you'd like to get admission, then you can do apply through online. So in the description box I will give the link, then you can apply. If you'd like to get more videos, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.